Alright you guys, so I am starting with this sweatshirt that I got from Walmart, and the first thing I'm going to do is just go ahead and cut straight across, and you can do this however long or short you want your cropped hoodie to be. So once I'm done cutting that off, I'm going to be working with the bottom part of the sweater, and I'm firstly going to just go ahead and cut down the side to cut that open. And then I'm going to flip it inside out so that we're looking at the inside of the sweater. So I'm going to go ahead and cut off this little tag just to get it out of the way. And now I am going to take another hoodie and place it down so that I can pretty much get the shape of how the hood should be. And once I have it on there nicely, I'm just going to go ahead and cut the curve off, or into place, whatever you want to call it. And yeah, after that I'm gonna cut down where the neckline should be, and then I'm just gonna cut off all of that excess fabric. So once I'm done cutting off the fabric, the next thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and straight stitch along the curve. Now after I'm done straight stitching, I'm gonna take my scissors and I'm gonna cut a little hole on both sides. This is where the shoestring is going to go through, and you just want to make sure that you cut it kind of close to the inside of the hoodie. So I'm taking these eyelets, and this is what I'm going to use, and you want to make sure that you put it on your garment the right way. And the way you can do that is these little teeth should go on the wrong side, and then the smooth pretty side should go on the right side. So I'm sticking the one with the smaller circle in first, and then the one with the bigger circle on top. So now I'm taking this little black thing that I broke because I've had this kit for a long time, but you just place your eyelet in there, and then you take this silver thing that also comes with the kit and then hammer it into place, and this is what it'll look like. So I did that to both of the holes, and now I'm going to insert my shoestring. So I'm just taking one end of the shoestring, putting it through the hole, and then I'm going to tie a couple knots so that it stays in place. And then I'm going to do the exact same thing to the other side of the shoestring. And now once I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and fold over the edge of the hoodie. And once you have it all folded over, you can just sew a stitch along that curve and it'll look like this. So this is the hoodie right side out, of course. And now I'm going to take the sweatshirt, and I'm taking the middle of the hoodie and the middle of the neckline and just sandwiching them together like this. And then I'm going to pin them in place and continue to pin around the neckline until everything is pinned down nicely. And as you'll see here in a second, oh my goodness, I have something in my throat and it's really bothering me. But as you'll see here in a second, I'm going to overlap the two middle pieces. Well, not the middle pieces, but where the hoodie ends. So right here, I'm going to end up overlapping this with the other side of the hood. So once I'm done pinning it into place, all you have to do is go ahead and straight stitch all the way around the neckline, and then that's literally it. You're done. So super simple, super easy way to, you know, spice up your little Walmart hoodie. I've done this before and I absolutely love it, so I decided to show you guys again. And yeah, if you would like to see how I created the gold champion logo, definitely subscribe and turn on your post notifications because that video is coming soon. So thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I love you, and I will see you in the next one.